Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to join a tournament in chess.com. If you think you can take on other players, if you improved your gameplay, you just need to go look at the left-hand side here and hover your mouse on play. It's going to be the first option. And on the pop-up on the side, you're going to see an option for tournaments. It's the third to the last option from the bottom. Click on tournaments. Now, once you are here, you're going to see a lot of options that are currently running, the tournaments, and you can actually choose daily tournaments or tournaments directory if you want. Click on tournaments directory. It's going to bring you to the tournaments directory. As you can see, these are the upcoming live tournaments, upcoming daily tournaments, so on and so forth. But if you just want to join something, just choose whatever tournament you want to join and click on join here, like so. And as you can see, you are now in the tournament and are actually waiting to play. So as you can see, we are now playing. Now, if you want to leave the tournament, all you need to do is hover your mouse here, the option on the right of play. There's going to be an X mark here on the upper right corner of that option. Would you like to leave this arena? Click yes, and you will be away from the tournament. So pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.